I'm out here by the campfire, and I pity the fool that doesn't like, comment, and subscribe. Had a 16-foot step ladder, getting ready to replace this chandelier. But we've got to pull all the glass off of it first. Now we've got the new chandelier temporarily hung, so we've got to adjust the height. Then we can hook the power up. Then we can put on all the fancy bits. Well, I had to get out my angle grinder. I've never seen a lamp chain where the links were all welded before and you couldn't just spread it apart with a couple screwdrivers. So I had to cut it so I could spread it apart. Now the height's adjusted where we want it. We've got the center of the globe, even with the upstairs handrails. We've got it wired, cut to length. So the next thing we're going to do is put on our crystal dishes, the little candle covers, and I'm pulling the stickers off of those, and then screw in our light bulbs. Now I could put the other 5 on, and then there'll be crystals hanging from here, hanging from all these points. I'm guessing there's going to be crystals, and we'll have to take off this packaging material here. So I'm going to set you guys up on time lapse and get this done.
Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Dave. You know what? Something's been on my mind. I think you guys should all like, comment, and subscribe. It's not that hard to do, trust me. And you won't regret it.
What's going on, guys? John with the ProCut, and I want you to make sure that you subscribe to my boy David Bleasby.